Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Every element in the physical world casts a shadow, and that shadow communicates depth, distance, and three-dimensionality. Drop Shadow in Photoshop's layer styles replicates this principle digitally. Double-click any layer to open layer styles and enable Drop Shadow. The angle dial sets the direction of your light source. Distance controls how far the shadow falls from the element. Larger values push it further, implying greater height above the surface. Size blurs the shadow edge. Sharp shadows suggest bright, direct light. Soft shadows suggest diffuse, ambient light. Match the shadow angle consistently across all elements in a composition. Inconsistent angles betray the physics and make designs look amateurish immediately.